I got a 2000, what year is this? 2006 Honda Accord. I'm using a 95 since it's a double den. 95 78 62. A double den mean it's a 7-inch or 6.5-inch size right there. Single den is a small, about 1.5 inches. So it came with the mounting kit right here, and then this harness right there. So what you do, whatever radio you put it in, see, this is, pretend this is an aftermarket. Got something in my mouth. Pretend this is an aftermarket radio. You plug all of these and match this wire right there. You got white, you got green, purple, gray, and then you also had to hook up the red for accessory, yellow for 12 volt, and for dimmer light, orange right here, orange, and then the blue to turn the amp on if it's got an amplifier. So you plug that to a backup radio right there. You probably seen my video. See in the back up there, there's a plug right there. You can plug that, the male plug back into the original one right here. It's working for me. I don't know why they have to do it like that. So I'm just gonna follow the direction and plug it back over here. Maybe it's for, I'm not 100% sure, but it's, everything works right now. I don't know why they gave me that male to plug in the back of the radio, but I will plug that male, the blue male connector back to the radio. So it's not easy to grab this wire because it's pretty short. The wire is already short. Now if it was a new radio it would be fine, but this is an old radio, so the wire was short, so it's hard to pull it out like this. So I have Corey holding the factory radio, the OEM radio, while I pulling this thing up, and then I'm gonna try to put it down a little bit and try to grab that wire and plug on the back of that stereo. As you can see, I had to take the radio out and try to put the screw in first because I forgot about the screw out here. So you gotta have enough room to push the radio back this way. So I don't know, it's not much room up here. So I'm gonna put it down here. Let me see if I can push it in before I put the screw and everything.